What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up sync for Visual Studio Code. This way you can sync your configuration, keybinds, extensions, and more between different installs of Visual Studio Code, even between computers. For this, you'll need either a Microsoft or a GitHub account, but that's very easy to get and free. For this, I'll open up VSCode Insiders, as that's the one that I'll be syncing. All we need to do here is open the settings by going to File, followed by Preferences, and then head across to Turn on Settings Sync. When you do so, you'll see what options you'd like to sync. Click Sign In and Turn On, then choose the branch which you'd like to sync. I'm on Insiders, so I'll choose Insiders. If you're unstable, more than likely you won't have that option at all. Then we'll need to sign in with GitHub or Microsoft. Just make sure that you choose the same option on all the different installs and computers you'd like to sync between. When you've done so, click Open, and shortly after, it should start syncing with the remote server. If you see conflicts, click Show Conflicts, and you'll see exactly what's different here. All we need to do is either accept theirs for remote or accept yours for the local option only. Of course, you can also combine these and edit them. I'll just click accept theirs as I'm happy with the remote option. Then complete merge. Just like that, settings sync should be turned on, and you'll see extensions installing one by one as time goes on. We can click this option here to see a console output of exactly what's going on at what speed. Eventually, it will have completed and everything will be set up once again. There we go. At this point, you can see settings sync is turned on and sync is done. Great. From here, you can use your extensions as you would usually, and the settings should have carried across as well. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide, so thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.